wasting my time, chasing all that glitters and shines. I'm a fool, trading my life for illusions. And I think there's something missing. Something feels wrong. I feel it start to crumble. Here it comes. Don't you think there's something missing? Don't it feel wrong? The culture starts to crumble. Here it comes. I guess I'm all out of luck. It looks like my time here's up. If only I'd known then, can I start over again? 'Cause I think there's something missing. Something feels wrong. I feel it start to crumble. Here it comes. We're just wasting our time, chasing all that glitters and shines. We're just wasting our time, chasing all that glitters and shines. We're just wasting our time, chasing all that glitters and shines. We're just wasting our time, chasing all that glitters and shines. We're just wasting our time, chasing all that glitters and shines. We're just wasting our time, chasing all that glitters and shines. We're just wasting our time, chasing all that glitters and shines. We're just wasting our time.
I've got 4 quart jars, and at the bottom I've put ginger, chopped ginger, and some frozen strawberries. Yours don't have to be frozen. If you're lucky enough to have some fresh organic ones, more power to you. So this is, here's our big jar that has been sitting in the warm pantry for the last about 10 days. I may have gone over a bit, 10 days. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to strain it.
Chasing all that glitters and shines.
Now, remember this? That's the SCOBY in there. So I kept the SCOBY, I put the SCOBY in another small jar like this, and with the same liquid, And that will sit in the pantry for another batch for another day. I've combined the fruit and the kombucha itself, the tea. Now, what I'm going to do now is cap them and put them in back in the pantry, in the warm, dark pantry for another 3 days. And then that's it, maybe even 4 days. And then after 3 or 4 days, you take them, put them in the fridge, and they're ready to go. Once they cool down, you've got your kombucha.
Will of God, and yet we're human. Where's your heart? We come to the place where I kiss you, know exactly for you. The very skin of the living God and repromote your life.
Yeah, I've got a friend in Jesus Christ. I've got a friend in Jesus Christ, and Krishna and Buddha and my bartender.